Yeah, yeah. Okay, so now this is the live. If I want to go live. Okay, I gotta. Okay, and then I for the live. Oh, I'm live on YouTube. I think I figured it out, y'all. Freaking smart. Now you can see how a network engineer really do it. Yeah. We're not gonna watch the video. We're gonna do it off the freestyle. Are you able to review LinkedIn on stream? Nah, man, I don't want my LinkedIn information on there. It's bad enough y'all be telling me where I live and shit. I got the YNs on here. I seen the videos. I know what the YN's gonna do to me. That's why I'm very thankful to everybody on here. Let's zoom and troubleshoot all my computer. Smith talk. What does this look like? Lord Quaz. Yeah, I'm very respectful, Lord Quaz. You must be one of them YNs. No, don't show my name on the screen. Just review it and tell me over here to make better, LOL. JD, I'm getting better. I'll be able to blur it like all those top content creators. I'm getting better at this shit, y'all. Thank y'all for liking the live. Hold on. Let's, oh shit, we on live with YouTube. Ain't nobody in there though. Oh, we got people on YouTube. Oh, LinkedIn is chaos. Oh, y'all laugh. Oh, okay. All right, YouTube. Okay, let's stop playing. Let's fire up the lab. We're gonna fire the lab. All right, this is the topology, so y'all can look at it. Let's zoom in. All right, I'm documenting this for me too, so when I study, I could just go back to my live. So, but this live gonna be fucking long. Yeah, I'm on LinkedIn. But I'm not finna get y'all my LinkedIn. They said that's how you get hacked. Nah, man, I'm going to school for network engineer. I'll take educated YN though. I'm cool with that. Yo, Stephen A. Smith. Man, bro, listen. Y'all, my barber kind of, but y'all ain't calling me Stephen A, dawg. Stephen A look like a old. How I find you? Oh, I ain't doing the LinkedIn, brother, on YouTube, Kala. We could, I got an email. You could email me. You got CCNP? No, I'm studying for that right now. That's what I'm supposed to be studying, damn it, Tonka. And why is the stream saying that the bit rate is not? Fuck it. We gonna ride it out. All right. So we have router 1, router 2, router 3, router 11. They're all in AS100. They are all participating in iBGP, or that's what I'm going to set it all up for. Not even just network lacing, but more broadly. Can you make a video on review CCN on what we should study until the exam? That's a good idea. I will. Okay, eBGP. So eBGP is going to be between R2 and R4. eBGP, all it means is because it's in a different AS. That's all that means. All right. I'm going to try to run through well, they got the commands right here. See, but I'm going to try to do this off the top of my head. See, that's the problem. Oh shit, sound like somebody in my house, y'all. Hold on, man. Hold on. I got stalkers. I got to be careful. People be stalking me. All right, so yeah, I'm firing up the lab. Get CBT nuggets. I signed up. It was $60 for a month, bro. This shit. They won't get mad about me sharing this. I ain't sharing their whole damn course. And I'm not selling it to y'all, so. You look like a sophisticated cat. Hey, boy, the internet, y'all undefeated, dog. I got no. You have the network, so people want to know. Bet. Let me see if I can show y'all just part of my screen on the LinkedIn. Let me see what I can show on the LinkedIn while we wait for this lab to load up. Let me see. It better not show all. Oh, shit. If I move that over there, that's going to show that part. Never mind. Oh, shit. Oh, my gosh, bro. Where, bro? I don't even see it, bro. Dang. Let me see. You know what I could do? Hold on. In short, what is route reflector? Route reflector is it's a solution because iBGP, there's an issue with iBGP where man, hold on, man. Oh, y'all was about to see the network ninja get gangster in this bitch. I thought somebody trying to come in my door, bitch. Oh, sorry, Teddy. A route reflector is just basically iBGP has a problem. Let me show you real quick back on our thing. So iBGP's problem is if we have R1 and he wants to advertise something over to R3 or R11, R2 will advertise only because it's an iBGP peer, meaning it was in the same AS. If you're in a different AS, that means you're an eBGP peer. But if you're in the same AS, you're iBGP peer. So if he says, hey, I know about this network, R2 says, by default, this is how the router processes that information. He said, iBGP peer, okay, boom. I'm only going to give it to an eBGP neighbor. I'm not going to give it to these people. So how do you solve that problem? You put a route reflector. You make him be the route reflector since he's the transit router, meaning he's the router in between these other routers in the iBGP setup here. You tell him, hey, reflect this information over there, right? Reflect this information. But you got to be careful too, because none of that information is going to get changed. That next hop stuff. Difference between VLAN and subnet go. God dang it, Jay Bro's networking is so good, he just fades away. What the fuck? What are y'all talking? But hopefully that made sense, Teddy. In short, what is route reflector? All right, we got y'all. Okay, let's get back real quick. Let's get back, Jack, because we logged into the lab now. And then you go right here, and then you fire up this lab, and then this is practice. I got till 10:30, y'all, and then I got to call it quits. We'll do it again tomorrow. We're going to start doing freestyling Fridays and shit. Or, you know, I'm going to start battling people. Y'all pull up, y'all go get a subscription and pull up y'all lab versus my lab and see who can configure it faster to see who's the better network engineer. I want the top network engineers to come on my live and battle me so I could be TikTok and YouTube #1 engineer. Who want that smoke? Do you ever use not so stubby areas in OSPF? Nick, the last time I studied that was in CCNP Encore when I got the CCNP Encore, which was like 2 years ago. Now, at the end of yeah, because my CCNA is about to be up. Or my CCNP Encore CCNA. So no, I'm back again. Still don't know what the first usable is. Steven, goddammit. No, Steven. Bro, we gonna get, bro. No, I'm gonna do a subnet video dedicated for you, Steven, for real, bro. You would beat me, but I don't mind. Mark, I'm just talking shit, bro. People would probably be me. All right, here we go. This is just off the top of the head. We got to make, like I said, we got the topology right here. This is the only thing. And they gave you the config right here. But we some real ninjas, you know? I'm a retired YN, you know what I'm saying? I'm a retired big bro. So we don't use, this is what, you know, little weaklings use, you know? We want to figure this out on our own, right? I'm probably going to need to use that. I'm capping, bro. Hold on. Sorry, guys. This is going to take forever. Okay, first of all, let's establish. No, I'm serious. Your content is great. Thanks, guys. What up? What up? All right, guys. Let's see. Let's see what we could do. First thing we're going to establish. We're on R2. Let's start there. Let's do BGP peer with him. Off the top of my head. Y'all help me out. Router BGP 100. Y'all been studying? Who been studying with me? All right, then I'm going to figure it out. R2 to R1. What's the next thing that we need? God dang. I'm going to question mark my shit. They let you question mark. I think we do this. Oh, Steven, I'm configuring BGP from scratch. And shit just be flying over my head. Oh, man. And if you go on my YouTube channel, you can see the screen share. I just can't share it on this YouTube. I haven't figured out how to do that. So I got the address family. I think I needed something before that. Let me think off the top of my head. You need the start BGP. That's it. That's all I could think of. 172.16. Let me get the IP address that we're going to connect to. Damn, see, man. I ain't on my shit. This is why I'm going to fail the damn, I'm not going to fail it. I'm not going to claim that over. For the CCNA, are the simulator questions pretty basic? Yes. I think for the CCNA, if I can remember, those lab questions were really trying to see if you can subnet and understand subnets and basic routing protocols. That's what there is. The Stephen A. Give me some of your books, bro. Too much. Yeah, bro. That's my vision board. I wish my house looked like that. I'm like pretending that's my house, you know, like I'd be meditating like Bombay, Bombay, Bombay. You know what I'm saying? All right, so I think we do the network statements here. Network. No, we're not going to network statement. We going neighbor. We want our neighbor. What's the IP address? We just go over there and copy that bit. Dawg, I should be flying through this. I'm pretty mad at myself right now. I should be souped up. Neighbor. Remote private AS. God dang, bro. See? Just neighbor. Fuck. Oh. Neighbor and AS number. This is CBT nuggets. Let me see. Let me see if it shows you CBT nuggets. Yeah. Just Google that CBT nuggets. Y'all looking at all my shit, man. Hold on, man. Man, see, I gotta do that. Neighbor. Okay, I got it. Neighbor. I got it now. Neighbor. 172. What they say it was? I forgot that already. 1612. Oh, it's activate. How did I start? CBT nuggets right here. It's activate. Because you're using address families. All right, y'all. So enable the address family for this neighbor. But you know what I didn't do? Let me look at this config. Router BGP1. Bro. Man. Fuck. Oh, is this from the old time? Oh. Oh. Oh, I'll just pull up the config. I'm gonna cheat and use the config, y'all. I don't even know. There it is right there. Neighbor. He ain't do the damn. He ain't do no address families and this shit. I'm doing too much. What routers are you learning with? Nico, this is thanks for the follow. I'm on CBT Nuggets. If you Google that, why are we just seeing you? Fungus, because it's on I can't share it on on TikTok because it's vertical video. So I got it on my YouTube. You could watch on my YouTube. Or I'm answering questions right here. If you got any questions about, I'm answering questions on this live. Have you tried CML? No, I need to try CML. I haven't tried eBGP either. Have you heard of Scion? No. Activate. How does it remote AS? Damn. Look like I'm gonna be. I'll just take this out. Let me try this again. No router, BGP. Boy, I thought I had that bitch. As a tech consultant engineer, I'm on the wireless team. Okay, that's what's up, Fungus. Welcome. Thank you for joining. Yeah, I'm studying for my CCNP. All right, let me try again. Let me try it this way. And then if I just do neighbor, neighbor, then 172.16.12.1. And then if I do, what was it? Remote AS. See it, do it here. To replace BGP. Okay. No, I never. I guess I gotta look that up. You could, but definitely take some practice tests for sure. Oh, okay. Damn, I don't want to do this kind of BGP where you don't use the address family. Thank you, RA. Certifications that I have, CCNA. Dang, I can't show y'all on the damn TikTok. I'll pull them up on this damn YouTube. If the YouTube chat, y'all care to see my little fucking certifications? Yes or no? Just be like, no. But I got CCNA and a CCNP Encore. And I've had other certifications in the industry, like Juniper certification, Riverbed certification. Oh, y'all want to see that shit? Man, hold on, man. Hold on, man. Hold on. Hold on, man. Okay, yeah. Y'all can't see shit right now. Hold on. I guess I'm not studying right now. Hold on. Raw, I'm pulling up all the certifications on this thing. If you go to my YouTube. But this y'all motivation. This y'all come catch me on these certifications. Y'all could catch me. Anybody could catch me. The Godfather Network Ninja. Yeah, appreciate it. Yeah, anybody could catch me. All I got is a CCNA, y'all. Y'all could do that shit. Trust. I'm logging into this shit now. I hope y'all don't see it. Thanks for the follow. That way, there's people in this damn TikTok chat. The TikTok chat was hating, talking about I ain't no engineer. I'll just be like, I don't care because I got my paycheck. That's all I care about. I don't care less what they say, but I just want to show y'all. You feel me? Boom. Oh shit. Y'all see my whole name? Oh well, fuck it. Oh, fudge packer. Oh. Oh. Hold up. Hold up. I don't know why it went away. Hold on. OSI model, dude. What do you want to know? I appreciate that. How much do I need to know about IPv6 for CCNA? I don't know about for CCNA. I don't think you need to know a lot about it. Just a couple facts about it and how it. I think that goes more in CCNP. I haven't taken the CCNA. I'm gonna show y'all something. Hold on. Hey, IPv6. Yeah, but you got the experience, which is more important. for about a year now, but I'm not very strong at. When do you think it's time to really? Oh yeah, IPv6. I don't think that stuff has to get implemented and everything, and they ain't did that yet. So right here, oh, if I click on that, Cisco certified, blah blah blah, whatever. Hold on. Expires November 23, 2025, right? November of 2025. Earners of Cisco Certified Specialists on Core have demonstrated knowledge of implementing core enterprise network technologies, including dual stack, IPv4, and IPv6. Learn more, and then it takes you to the Cisco shit. And then if I go, motherfucking, where it's at? If I go to my dashboard, hopefully this don't show shit. Oh. Explore other badges. Oh, right here, 7 badges. How do you not see the badges? Manage your badges. I hope this don't show y'all shit. Oh shit. Oh, there they go. See all badges. Oh, so damn, there you go, 2015. Y'all see that? So 2015 was Juniper. CompTIA was 2009. Damn. Then I got something in 2020 from Cisco. I don't know what that is. CCNA 2011. I got it issued to me at 2011. CCNA, I got it in 2016. And then it looked like I got it again in 2020. And then I got 2022, I got that Encore shit. But if you get the Encore, they just renew the CCNA. You could tell people you got the CCNA becomes active too. I'll show you. Because if I go, oh, you see how these say expired? The CCNA, this one doesn't say expired, even though it was issued all the way back in 2016. But it's only because this one is current. Once this one goes expired, my CCNA will go expire. Does that make sense? Oh, my bad. All right, bud. Keep trying. You aren't an engineer. You're an admin, but be proud of that. Okay, okay. Appreciate that. Difference between cloud engineer and network engineer. I have Net Plus and Security Plus. Can go get a network engineer job. Where is that cat? Shaka Bang Bang. Or 4 and 5. Oh. Shaka Bang Bang. Shabang Kabang. I could break down the OSI. I'm a software developer. If you want to. I was trying to show everybody the damn thing. And I like myself Shabang Kong. We can go, like I said, I'll start bringing people on here that want to challenge me or whatever at network engineering. We could do that and see if you got more skills than me. If you want to have a little carrot measuring competition, we could do that. No difference. I do both. I gain skills all day. Yeah, I'm tired of everybody doing that. You're not a network engineer. Like, bro, what you want me to show you? My title and then my pay stubs? Like, get out of here, weirdo. Anyway, back to my network engineer. Because I don't work on BGP every day and I don't know every BGP command, I ain't no network engineer. Boy, that's why. But see, once I get the certification, then what he gonna say? Oh, you got this, but you still ain't one, no, dog. You still ain't. So if I go by what people be saying, that's what, man. If nothing else, man, don't. Yeah, man, I'm always learning, man. I ain't worried about these internet clowns. Damn, it was cutting me through. All right, let's do this. All right, so then boom. That's it. Let me go over here to router 1. What else do I got to do? This should bring up BGP, and then I should just have to advertise the routing protocol. Why did they want me to take that shit off, though? Oh, that's from something else. What does that say? Helpful commands. The day BGP dies, the day I will sleep safe. What's up, buddy? Haven't seen you in a few days. Don Appledoni. Yeah, man, I'm trying. I think I'm going to take a break and just really study for the next 6 months. I don't even think I'm going to create content for a little. We know you're a beast at this ish. Thanks, Teddy. I'm trying, bro. Yeah, I think I'm going to step away from this content creation and just focus on passing this for the next couple months. That way, when I get back on and all them clowns be like, "You're not a network engineer, bro. You're not a network engineer. You don't make 6 figures. You don't." And all that. Hey, I'll just be like, what else? What's the next cert? Love BGP. I have. The next cert I'm studying. Thanks for the follow. The next cert I'm studying is for OSTP for hacking. That's what I want to do. Bro, that cat threw me off. I gotta start letting people trick me out my energy dial. 211. Oh, 12.2. That's the one. 12.2. That's the link. 12.2. Neighbor 172.16.12.2. I'm gonna do this one tomorrow because I ain't like this. Because I studied earlier this morning, this whole lab. Sent neighbor passive wrong AS. Oh, whoops, my bad. My bad. See, I'm tired, y'all. Yeah. See, this is some bullshit. I should have went live earlier. Oh, I got BGP up. We did that at least. OSP off on-prem. That's what's up. That's what's up, Dan Apoloni. Heck yeah. You do you. You are doing awesome in my opinion. Thank you, Marker 32. Look, Marker 32. I'm gonna just get even better. Let me push through and finish this. We had 10-10. Let me push through and try to get some more. Cause y'all just turn me up. What do you think about Aruba Networks hardware? Ryan Taylor, I worked on Aruba Networks. They're pretty. I worked on the wireless stuff for Aruba. Sent me a request to join. Heck yeah, BGP up. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to. BGP's up. Hold on, let me just get this last piece. My bad for not inviting you on. Hold on, dog. Y'all going, damn, I thought you were Luda first. Boy, the internet is undefeated, y'all. Y'all, boy. I'm not studying with y'all no more, bro. Straight up. I'm not studying with y'all no more. Thanks for liking the live. Or we gonna have to, I don't know. All right. Now, let's do, what was I trying to show y'all? Fuck, I'm gonna use my notes though. I'm gonna use my notes. Check me out. Y'all wanna see the notes? Let me know if y'all wanna see my notes. Look, I'm putting this shit together for all of y'all motherfuckers that wanna fucking pass this shit. Oh, you see that? You see how I break them notes down? So these are all my notes on route-reflector. I can't show y'all all the sauce. All right, so boom. When you go to study something, you say, what is this section about? You do the same thing all the time. And then I put it in my own words, right? This topic we'll discuss. Hold on. This TikTok shit. Hold on. Damn it. This is called adult learning. So this is what I do. Route reflectors. What is this section about? Before you even watch the video or anything, what is it about? This topic will discuss 3 rules of how route reflectors. Where did I get that shit? I got it from like the caption of the video. Then you put the main idea, summarize the main idea like you was in school. What's the main idea? Then the support and details. That's how when I get on here, I'd be like, yeah, route reflector is the NLRI. It was from these fucking notes that are spaced out like that. Then you put like studying for a test. You rate yourself. How important is it? 9 out of 10. Teaching someone new, is it a 6 out of 10, or is that something important for somebody? What level of detail you aim at? Deep dive, brief, and then so AI gave me this template, right? And then I take this template and I put it back in AI with all my crappy notes, and I tell it to polish my notes, and then it puts together like a superior document. You dig? So that's what y'all do. Use AI. All right, let's go back to the program. Best way to prep for the interview. Best way to prep for the interview. Get ready for this question. Because I did an interview like last month, and that question they said, what's one when you talk about your strengths and weaknesses? I got it off of TikTok. Tell them that, and the lady liked it when I said it too. They say, what's your strength? I mean, what's your weakness? My weakness is that I'm a perfectionist, and I just gotta always get something done. I just always, once a task is assigned to me, I just do whatever is the best of my ability to get it done. That's my network interview tip. Ryan Taylor, y'all funny with that Luda. I use Gemini for CCNA test questions. It's helpful for free. Also, if you want to prep for interviews, Mountain One, go look at my TikToks, network engineer interview questions. They have been chef's kiss. Man, UTD Daily, king. Yeah, you the king. You the king, man, UTD Daily. You the king. I'm just, all right. All right, so now my notes say for, we got a, we're going to set up eBGP now. All right, let's talk BGP. Yes, sir. Okay. So now we're going to set up eBGP. But I'm trying to show y'all what the problem is. And I need to have neighbors with R3, R11. Let's do it like this. Can I just copy and paste it? Well, fuck it then. Rod Neo, help me out. Let's walk through, let's configure eBGP then. I'm gonna jump on R2 and we're gonna do that real quick. eBGP, and the only difference we doing, guys, conf T, oh, we still in there, and then we're gonna go router, BGP, and the AS is 200. AS is 200 up here. And then you just put, what the fuck? Oh, my bad. See? I'm tired, y'all. Can ChatGPT do the same thing? Neighbor. What's my neighbor on that link? 100, 124.4. Neighbor 100.100.24.4. And then remote AS is 200. Come on, bitch. 200. And then we jump on R4 and do the same thing. Yeah, see, I was doing too much. 200 here, neighbor 100.100.24.2, remote AS 100. Who's winning that game? Ain't nobody watching the game? Thank you, V-Rod. What's the quickest way I can learn network engineering? I would say study the CCNA. Okay, we got BGP up. So we got eBGP and iBGP going. Now I want to show you the issue. So we need to start learning some routes. I think we need to get R3 involved, at least one more, to do this route reflector. If I can do this in less than 20 minutes, I'm going to be a beast. Router BGP 100, neighbor. Fuck, V-Rod fucking me up, man. I'm not like that, like good, like you're putting me on like the shit that I'm forgetting. 172.16.23. 23. God dang it. Hey, that's my dog, Mark. You the beast, dog. We all the beast, bro. All right. Well, 23.2. Duh. Oh, yeah, it's dot two. It's everything ending in dot two. R4. Oh, R3. We're on R3. Dot two. I'm getting confused over here. Remote AS 100. And then we go R2. And then we're already, and then we go neighbor. Yeah, I made this too complicated for no reason. 172.23. Was it? 16.23. Right there. 23.3. 100. That should come up. Come up, bitch. All right. Thanks, B-Rod. I got them all up. Now I'm just going to start advertising via OSPF, and then I'm going to do my route reflector after that. I think that'll be enough. And now I'm done. Thanks, B-Rod. All right, so now, if we do a do show IP, oh, no, we don't have to do show IP. I want to try this fucking command. Show. Fuck it. BGP sum. So we have neighbors. Who are our neighbors? This was router 4. That's the eBGP neighbor. Router 1 on our left side. God dang it. Router 1 over here. So we got all neighbor relationships. Now we're going to go back onto R3 right now. We're on R3 and we're going to do network. His loopback address. So I believe if we do 3.3.3 mask and do 255.255.255.255 and save that. Good luck. All right. Let's see if we learn that. Run that same command. As you can see, we learned one route, right? We learned one route from R3. R3 learned that from R2, but I just told you that R1 can't learn that route, even though he's in the same AS. So let's go to R1 and let's prove that real quick. Go to R1. If we get hit in, clear all of this crap out the way, right? And we do show IP BGP sum. Look, he don't know about that route. There's no route that's learned there. He don't know about that route. So that's what we got to fix. That's the problem. Now that damn update source. Let me see how much time I got. I got about 9 minutes, y'all. I don't know if I should try to do it real quick. Did you use 250 as the loop back? I caught half of it. Oh, okay, my bad. So real quick. This is advertising. I don't know. I'm going to ask ChatGPT. But this is basically advertising the network 3.3.3.3. Here's what it looks like when you look at it in the routing tape. First, you're going to see it here in the BGP. You see how these are zeroed out? This one is because you learned one route. What was that route? If you do show IP BGP, that's the route that you learned. And it's installed in this route. You see, it's in there because you have a route to the next hop. So this is a valid BGP route. Do you think web dev skills can help a network engineer? No, I don't think so. No, I don't think that can help any kind of, I don't think any web dev stuff is going to deal with any network engineering stuff like IPs and stuff. I don't think it is. I don't think. Thank you, YMQ. For entry level employment and what job title should I look for? Man, I need to find that fucking. I need to find that email. Let me try to finish this real quick, and I'm gonna give you that IT roles. So just network operations center technician, or network technician, or network admin, and stop and don't get hung up on these titles. I call myself a network engineer. Plenty of people on this thing say that I'm not a network engineer. I don't know. I'm willing to go whatever toe to toe with anybody and see if I'm network engineer versus them. But they have to have the same amount. If they got 20 years experience, I can't do that. Oh no, when you do this, Mark of 32. Hold on, let me see what ChatGPT calls this. So then I'll try to explain it. They call it a host route. So you're advertising a network. So if I only advertised 255, 255, 255, it only advertises /24. But once you do all 4 of those, I forgot what that's called. I'm gonna look it up. I think it's a host route or some shit. Let me see what ChatGPT calls it. How do explain this in basic terms? Oh shit, not that. God dang it. Yeah, I'll be using ChatGPT all the time. I think that's my best friend. Damn, entry level doesn't exist no more? God dang. Hold on, Mark. I'm pulling up the thing right now. How am I gonna do the route reflector? Oh, so I guess let me see if I can do it real quick. They said if you go on here, Teddy Vaughn, this is a route reflector. If you go on here, hopefully he's still in here. Go router, BGP 100. That answer is coming up too, Mark. Yeah, no worries. I was fighting with the fire. All right, router BGP, and then you go route. What the fuck? Oh no, you gotta. It's not route. You gotta go neighbor, and then point to your neighbor that you want to make the route reflector client, because you need. They need to have roles, and I said router 2 is the transit router. Basically, it's just a go between. So that's why it's the route reflector, and then you have the route reflector client. Hey, Mark, all this statement means ChatGPT says all you need to know for this statement when you configure this in BGP. Where did I do it? Oh, it was an R3, right? Network 3.3.3 mask 255. ChatGPT says it's telling the router, hey, I want to advertise the specific IP address of 3.3.3.3 as a route for BGP, only if it's already in the routing table. So you're announcing a host route. That's what it's called, a host route. So I learned that today too. It's called a host route. Meaning I want, just as long as this route's in my routing table, which it is because it's a loopback connected to you. All right, let me go back to R2. Where am I at with this shit? Neighbor 172. That link right here, 16.12.1. 16.12.1. And then you're gonna do route reflector client. So you're pointing to that guy and saying route reflector client. Thanks for sharing the live. Props to networking for turning a hobby into career. Death. Thank you, Death. Okay, so you see it dropped the BGP session and then it reestablished it when you made it a route reflector client. Be aware of that. Let's see what R1 knows now. Does it know anything? Let's see. Hey, we got one learn route. You see? Boom, it went from 0 to 1. BGP always has me a bit confused. I need to figure this stuff out though. Is this simulator free? I really need to figure. No, this is not free. This is CBT Nuggets. This is not free. But I'm sharing this shit with y'all, man. At least we got 1 hour of video with it. And we doing a route reflector. And we're about to close it. I got about 2 minutes left, y'all. So the problem is, though, even though we did learn it via BGP, here's for the next lab. When we come back, we have to do the update source command because we don't have a route to the next hop of 23.3. We don't have that route. When I say we don't have that route, if we do show IP route and we go right here with that IP address of the next hop, subnet not in table. So my ninjas, stay tuned in, same time, same channel. Nah, it's not gonna be the same time. I'm nowhere near that organized. Try Packet Tracer is free. Yeah, but I don't feel like setting up all of the shit. All the IPs. They already got all the IPs and shit set up. I don't feel like doing all of that. Anyone with Kubernetes and DMZ experience in the Charlotte or Dallas area, I'll leave this live up so y'all can network. I love y'all. Seattle, I love you. I'm out. Nah, I'm finna go check the game for real. YouTube, what y'all want to vibe out here? Stream ending. Stream ending soon. Hey, YouTube chat, I'll still be on here. I'm finna go put the game on. And I'm gonna come check y'all out. What do you use to practice? That was for the guy asking about software. Scion makes multi-hop obsolete entirely. Tango, I just learned what multi-hop is, bro. I'm trying to get on your level, Tango. I just learned what that shit is today. I mean, I knew about it, but I never really dealt with it. What do I use to practice? Michael Saha, I use the damn, this phone about that. That was EBT Nuggets. That was an hour. I did my hour. I hope y'all learned something. Y'all let me know if y'all learned something. Or if I was just wasting my breath. YouTube chat, did y'all learn something? Y'all let me know if y'all learned something, man. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for the follow. Man, I'm trying to get more information for y'all, man. Let's see who wins this game. Y'all think it's a game? I'm real about it. And if you can beat me in network engineering, you're not gonna be able to beat me in basketball. You can't beat me in basketball. Angie, baby, thank you for the follow. That's what the next dude that say I'm not a network engineer, I'm gonna be like, can you beat me in basketball? Because you can't beat me in basketball. Let's see who wins this game. I'm something like a Steph Curry. Yeah. Oh shit. Y'all can't see on the inside of my house, right? I don't want no nothing laying around that I could get banned for. Thank you for liking the live, y'all. Ant-Man playing? Well, I'm gonna pull up now. See, I'm gonna study now. I can pull up, y'all. And then I gotta cut it off for what I'm about to do later on. Oh shit. Let's go see if YouTube is. Oh, this shit. I don't miss the game. I know you fucking lying. I know he's fucking lying. Oh, it's big. Oh, Sean. Oh no, you the real goat in here. We got the goat in here. I'm just watching the game. I just did a session. I told him I'm studying for my certification, Sean. By November, I'm gonna be certified with my network engineering certification. And man, what? But I just did an hour. I did an hour this morning, and then I'm gonna go to sleep, do my hour at 5 in the morning. And I'm trying to get on my guy level, Sean Kyrie. Y'all go follow Sean Kyrie if y'all want to get big. If y'all need cybersecurity, that cat young and he gets it in. I'm on. Woo! Damn, it's already second for the shit. No! Woo! That was on Town's head top. I'm finna go. Y'all ain't watching this. I'm finna go, y'all. That was they like that. Who like Minnesota? Quick bet. Quick bet. Anybody want to bet? Anybody want to bet? Bet a rose? All right, y'all. Hey, I'm going live again tomorrow for something to finish that lab. If y'all want to see route-reflectors part 2, make sure you join. I'll let you. Peace. Love y'all. YouTube chat, I'm out. I love y'all, man. Holla at me, man. I learned a lot. Enjoy your streams when I can jump on them. Yeah, I'm out of here, folks. Man, I fuck with y'all. Y'all still was on this bitch, man. I fuck with y'all. But I'm out. Let's do this tomorrow. We're gonna finish the route-reflectors part 2. I'll let y'all know whatever. Or y'all let's see when I jump on, or I'll do a little community post shit. I love y'all. I'm hollering. Peace. You will not be able to